everyone. This is Uncle James here, Uncle James. I'm here sharing with you a review of the Milestone Credit Card. Okay, this is the Milestone Mastercard. I received an offer in the mail, and I applied for this, and I received it. Okay, so Milestone Credit Card. This is great for re-establishing credit. This is great for rebuilding credit. So they have a pre-qualifier. Okay, so you're going to click that, but I want to go through some of the features first, and then I'm going to take you to the application. Okay, let's see here. Now, this report to all 3 credit bureaus. You can use it with confidence, and your card is protected. Okay. Again, all 3 credit bureaus, no security deposit is needed. Pre-qualify, okay? You can pre-qualify. And say your offer is in the mail. Have you received your offer in the mail? I received mine in the mail, and I did apply for it, and I received the card. So let's click on the application. Okay, so here's the application itself. Welcome, okay, put in your personal code, and then put your personal code there from the mailing that you received. Put your zip code, and then bang, there you go, okay? All right, so this is James. I just did a review of the Milestone Credit Card. Remember, success leaves clues. Success leaves clues. One of those clues that it leaves is you must have a great positive attitude, mental attitude. They did a study, and they looked at what are some of the things that people that are successful, what did they have in common? And one of the things was they had a positive PMA, positive mental attitude. Remember, you are designed for greatness. This is an example of a PMA. I am designed for greatness. I can do great things. Now, until we meet again, may the Lord continue to bless you. May He smile upon you. May He be gracious to you. May He be kind to you. And may He continue to enlarge your territory. This has been James. Have a great week.